Are you tired of seeing other people with those cool Discord orbs while you have none? I get it. It feels like everyone figured out some secret, except you. Here is exactly how to get them fast, and I promise it is way simpler than you think. So here is the plan. First, we find the quests that actually offer orbs as a reward. Then, we complete simple tasks, like watching a video or playing a game for a little bit. And finally, we claim what we earned. All right, let us jump in. Open up your Discord app on your desktop. Now, look at the very top left corner of the screen. You see that Discord logo? Click on it. A menu will pop up, and you want to select the Quests tab. If you do not see it there, just head over to the Discover tab instead, and you will find a Quests button waiting for you. When the Quests page loads up, take a good look at all the offers. Not every quest gives you orbs, so scroll through and find the ones that specifically have orbs listed as the reward. Once you find one you like, click that Accept Quest button. Now, here is where things get interesting. There are two types of quests. First up are video quests. These are the easiest. You just watch a quick promotional trailer or an ad. Seriously, that is it. Just let it play all the way through. It might take a moment to process after it finishes, so be patient. The second type is game quests. These require a little more effort, but they are totally worth it. You will need to install a recommended or sponsored game and play it for a specific amount of time, usually around 15 minutes. Now, I have tested this myself, and here is the trick. Make sure you actually install and launch the game through Discord itself, not just from its website. That is how Discord tracks your progress. Once the game is installed, go ahead and play it. Keep that game window open and active for the full required time. Do not just idle on the menu screen. Actually play it for those 15 minutes. The timer will not start counting until you are in the game. So you finished your video or hit that time requirement. Now go back to the quests page. You should see a Claim Reward button waiting for you. Click it. Your orbs will be instantly added to your balance. And that is really all there is to it. From being clueless about Discord orbs to confidently earning and claiming them through a few simple quests. I have looked through multiple sources, from YouTube tutorials to the official Discord blog, to make sure this process is as clear as possible. So go ahead, start those quests, and enjoy your new orbs.